Hi everyone, welcome to Anjurisa channel. In this video, I'll show you the secret of sewing an elastic band to a puffy bow. We only need a small piece of fabric, so you can use any scrap fabric, literally. The size is 6 by 5 inches. Fold it in half. Prepare an elastic band, and the size is exactly the same as the head circumference. My elastic band has the right and wrong side. So with the wrong side facing us, attach the elastic band to the fabric. I'll pin it first, so it will be easier to show you which part to sew. Sew the elastic band directly to the fabric. This way, our headband will have a nice finish. I'm going to hide the elastic band this way. This is to make sure that you don't sew through the elastic band. And we're going to sew this up. Clip this part to make the fabric less bulky in the corners. Be careful not to cut the thread. This is the back side where we sew the elastic band. I'll cut a bit here and don't cut the elastic band inside. This is to easily turn the fabric inside out. This puffy headband is perfect for babies. I'm so sorry if I can't show you how this headband looks on my head. Next is to fill the bow with as much dacron as you like. We will finish the opening. Prepare some needle and thread. Just sew the opening as you like, because later we won't be able to see it. Then wrap the bow using the remaining thread. I used to make this headband a lot, and I just realized I haven't made a tutorial on this. So here it is. And if you love anything about handicrafts, consider subscribing and turn on the notification. I've made a lot of DIY tutorials for you to try. The next thing is to finish the center bow. I used 3-inch square fabric. Fold it in half and sew this part. Turn the fabric inside out. Let's make a beautiful center bow by folding it this way. Take the bow and wrap the bow. Sew this one last time. Cut off the excess fabric. Turn the center bow and your puffy bow is done. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I'll see you next time.